Today's Fusion 360 moment is the hotkey for rectangle. So normally you have to go up there and press on create sketch, and then you have to hit a plane, and then you have to go all the way up back there and hit rectangle. Well, what this is you just press R on your keyboard, and it selects the tool for you, and you can do this outside of a sketch too. It'll automatically make it a sketch. You just select on your plane. And then, once you're making it, you can just press tab, type in a number, and then press tab again, and type in the number the length and the width you want the square to be, and that'll change it to be specific. And then you extrude, and then you're done. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back in tomorrow for tomorrow's Fusion 360 moment.